this is our breakfast basket. It's got all kinds of really, really cool stuff in it. Basically everything you need to have a breakfast from the farm. So first up is some local coffee from Ingenious. There's 4 different flavors in there. They're all really, really good, so we really couldn't. Also get 2 coffee mugs matching that you can use for the coffee that you get. And then we also have 7 different flavors of tea that we got from Maddox Hill. So all of this is hand blended and really, really good. So you've got all kinds of different teas: peach tea, elderberry tea, spearmint, bone apple tea, bee balm and olive tea, a very berry tea, and a tutti frutti tea. So those are loose leaf, and of course we couldn't leave you hanging, so we got a loose leaf tea strainer for you that you can use for those loose leaf teas. I think we get it. You've got an egg scrubber to clean your eggs with, because you get a dozen of our farm fresh, beautiful colored eggs. Also comes with 12 ounces of our local honey from Becker Farm. Thanks, Danielle, for throwing that in there. And again, you get a couple stickers and magnets. We're coming in hot with some maple syrup from Maple Grove. It is organic. It's really, really good, and it's going to be delicious on your protein pancakes from Kodiak. You also get a gift certificate for our online store for some meats. That's worth $25. You get the cutest apron to make all of your breakfast stuff in. Yeah, nice. We're also sending you home with some of our spice blends, the Mesquite Magic spice blend. It's really, really good on your uncured bacon that you're going to get from us. It's going to be a pound of our uncured bacon. It is delicious, especially with that Mesquite Magic on there. And we're also going to send you home with a whisk for those nice farm fresh eggs. And you can whip up a pound of our mild pork sausage in with those eggs, and it's delicious. And we're going to send you home with an insulated tote bag that you can put in, and you can take all of that deliciousness to work with you. River says hi. And you get this super cute chicken wire basket that you can store all of your goodies in. So our tickets are $5 for a single ticket, or you can get 5 tickets for $20. Those are available online, or you can purchase them at our event in October.